I love it. I mean, I love helping these people out. It's actually really, makes you happy. My name is Jose Cano. I am the Housing Rehabilitation Specialist for the City of Fresno Planning and Development Department in the Housing Division. We currently have 2 different programs that we're running right now. One of them is the Senior Paint Program. Again, that's to paint the exterior of the homes. And then we also have an Exterior Repair Program, and that's to repair any items on the exterior of the home. They're both free of charge. They're both for low-income senior citizens aged 62 years or older. So I've been doing this for the last 13 years, working with federally funded programs and providing services to low-income people in great need. This is the fence we're replacing. So this entire right side, we're replacing this fence and this gate. I mean, again, they don't have the funds to do these repairs themselves. If we weren't there to help them out, they would never get these repairs done. This home is the Exterior Repair Program. And so far what we have done is the scraping of the loose, peeling, flaking, deteriorated paint. They've done some stucco patching on this side, you could tell. So they already replaced the window, and they're very thankful. Yeah, they're very thankful. That's not just me. I mean, I have an amazing team behind me, and from start to finish, I mean, it takes all of us. It's very rewarding. When you see the smiles on their face, it makes you feel good.